Very good morning, my dear students. This is Vipin Kumar Gupta. I am the faculty of English of US Academy and Institute, Gorakhpur. My dear students, as we have earlier started the book Hornbill and Snapshot Post, now today we are going to start the poetry sections that has been mentioned in the book Hornbill. In Hornbill, you can find the poetry section also. Already I have told you in Hornbill you will find prose and poetry both, while in Snapshot book you will find only prose. So today we are going to start poetry section that has been mentioned in Hornbill book. So in poetry section you can find the poems, and the very first poem that we are going to start today, a photograph, composed by an English writer, Shirley Tolson. Shirley Tolson, who is an English writer who was born on 20th May 1924 on Thames, England. She was a writer, poet, journalist. She was a versatile writer actually. So this present poem is an autobiography of the writer Shirley Tolson. In this poem, the poetess Shirley Tolson wants to mention that her mother already has been died and she is missing her mother very much. The poet wants to say through this poem that she was missing her mother very much because she is no more. Of the chapter name, a photograph, it is just because of a writer was having one photograph that was on the wall of her room, and whenever a writer used to see that photograph, she starts feeling very sad and she starts missing her mother. So my dear students, now let's start the poem, a photograph. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girls cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so. From the very first line, the poet wants to say that one cardboard, one photograph that has been through the cardboard that was on the wall of her room. Poet Shirley Tolson says that in that photograph, writer can find her mother. Actually, in that photograph, three girls are there. In that photograph that was on the wall of the writer's room, in that photograph, there were three girls. And in the middle one, the girl was actually the writer's mother. And another two girls were her cousin. So writer said the cardboard shows me how it was when the two girls' cousin went paddling. Paddling means actually this photograph, this pic has been taken just beside the sea beach. They were enjoying their beach holiday. The writer said in the photograph two girls, cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hand. Writer said in the middle one was her mother and two other girls who were holding the hand of writer's mother. They were cousins of writer's mother. Writer said, see the big girl, some 12 years or so. In that photograph, three girls were there. The middle girl was near about 12-year-old and she was writer's mother. And another two girls were writer's mother's cousins. Writer said, see the big girl, some 12 years or so. In the photograph, three girls were there and the middle girls were looking near about 12 years or so. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. At that time, those three girls were enjoying their beach holiday. They have gone to spend their sea holiday along with their uncle. At that time, the uncle was taking their pic through their camera. That's why at that time they were smiling. Likewise, whenever we comes in front of the camera, we smile. In the same way, all those three girls were smiling when uncle was taking the picture. A sweet face, my mother's. Writer said when she saw her mother's face in that photograph, she found that her mother's face was very sweet. That was before I was born. राइटर सेड कि अ स्वीट फेस माई मदर्स, और वो मदर का जो फेस है दैट वाज लुकिंग वेरी स्वीट, और ये फोटो कब का है, दैट वाज बिफोर आई वाज बॉर्न, राइटर के जन्म लेने से पहले ही, बिकॉज राइटर्स मदर वाज एट दैट टाइम 12 ईयर ओल्ड, एंड द सी विच अपीयर्स टू हैव चेंज्ड less was their terribly transient feet. And last two lines see carefully, the sea which appears to have changed less. राइटर कहती हैं वेन एवर सी यूज टू सी द सी, समुद्र को जब देखती हैं, विच अपीयर्स टू हैव चेंज, लाइक वास्तव में जो समुद्र है वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं बदला है. माई डियर स्टूडेंट, यू नो वेरी वेल दैट सी स्टिल इज इन द सेम कंडीशन. फोटोग्राफ में जो समुद्र दिखाया है और एक्चुअल में जो सी बीच है, दैट इज लाइक सेम टू सेम, देयर इज नो चेंज. वॉज देयर टेरिबली ट्रांजिएंट फीट, ट्रांजिएंट मीन मोर्टल, जो कि क्या हो जाए, जो खत्म हो जाए, जो कि अमर न रहो, बिल्कुल ट्रांजिएंट फीट है. और समुद्र जो है वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं बदला है, जबकि उनकी मदर जो है अब वो मर चुकी हैं, जिंदा नहीं हैं. तो राइटर हियर इज कंपेयरिंग ऑल्सो द सी एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग. सी दैट इज ए नेचुरल थिंग एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग. तो राइटर इज कंपेयरिंग कि समुद्र जो हो बिल्कुल नहीं बदला है, वैसे का वैसे ही आज इतने सालों बाद भी. लेकिन उनकी मदर जो फोटो में जैसी दिख रही है आज बिल्कुल वैसी नहीं है, वो मर चुकी हैं. नाउ सी द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. Total 3 paragraphs are there. Now see the second paragraph. Some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. Writer's mother said कि some 20-30 years later she would laugh at the snapshot. Snapshot means photograph. राइटर कहती हैं कि 20-30 years later, 20-30 साल बाद उनकी मदर जब उस फोटोग्राफ को देखती हैं, so she used to tell the writer, see Betty and Dolly. Betty and Dolly, my dear student, they are two character name. Betty and Dolly, they were the cousins of writer's mother. You must have seen in the photograph 3 girls were there. Middle one was a writer's mother and another 2 girls were a writer's mother cousin, and their name were Betty and Dolly. राइटर कहती हैं कि उस फोटो में उनकी मदर 20 years की हैं, बट आफ्टर 20-30 years later, 20-30 साल बाद राइटर की मदर जब उस फोटो को देखती हैं तो राइटर से कहती हैं, सी बेटी एंड डॉली एंड लुक हाउ दे ड्रेस्ड अस फॉर बीच. राइटर मदर राइटर से कहती हैं कि देखो उस फोटो में बेटी एंड डॉली हाउ दे वर लुकिंग एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ड्रेस वी वर यूजिंग फॉर द बीच. द सी हॉलीडे वाज हर पास्ट, mine is her laughter. My dear student, very important line this one. The sea holiday was her past. The sea holiday what a writer's mother has spent, that was her past, and mine is her laughter. This is the statement of writer Shirley Tolson. Mine is her laughter. और मेरे लिए past क्या है, उनकी laughter है, उनकी हंसी है. सी हॉलीडे उनके लिए पास्ट है और उनकी हंसी मेरे लिए पास्ट है, क्योंकि अब वो मर चुकी है, मैं उनकी हंसी को फिर दोबारा नहीं देख सकती हूँ. दैट्स व्हाई इट हैज बीन मेंशन्ड हियर द सी हॉलीडे वाज हर पास्ट. सी हॉलीडे उनके लिए पास्ट हो चुका था, एंड फॉर मी हर लाफ्टर. बोथ राई विद द लेबर्ड ईज ऑफ लव. वी बोथ ऑफ अस, राइटर एंड राइटर मदर, वी न्यू वेरी वेल वी कैनॉट अगेन मीट द सेम मोमेंट. सेम मोमेंट मीन राइटर मदर कैनॉट सी अगेन दैट beach holiday, and a writer cannot see again the mother's laughter. इसलिए दोनों लोगों के लिए वो मुश्किल है पास्ट को पाना फिर से. वी नो वेरी वेल माय डियर स्टूडेंट, वी कैनॉट गो अगेन इनटू आवर पास्ट. सो राइटर और राइटर मदर दोनों के लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है कि पास्ट को अपने रिमेंबर तो कर रही हैं, सोच रही हैं, बट दे कैनॉट गेट दैट पास्ट. नाउ द थर्ड एंड द लास्ट पैराग्राफ. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived. and of these circumstances there is nothing to say at all. It's a silence, silences. The last paragraph very important from the point of view of extract based question. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived. और राइटर कह रही यहाँ पे कि माई मदर हैज़ बिन डेड नाउ नियरली एज मैनी ईयर्स एज द गर्ल लीड. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, उस फोटोग्राफ में राइटर की मदर कितने ईयर की हैं, कितने ईयर की दिख रही है, जल्दी बताइए. 12 ईयर्स. 12 ईयर्स शी वाज इन द 12 ईयर इन दैट पिक एंड नाउ शी हैज़ बिन डेड नियरली एज सेम ईयर. और उनको मरे हुए कितने ईयर हो गए हैं? 12 ईयर्स हो गए हैं. राइटर की मदर को मरे हुए 12 ईयर्स हो गए हैं. एंड ऑफ दिस सर्कमस्टेंस, and writer right now feeling very sad, very upset to see that condition, to remember that condition, to miss her mother. She was feeling very sad and she said there is nothing to say at all. There is nothing to say at all. Writer's mother said, now I don't have any word to speak. I don't want to speak anything. I don't have anything to speak because I am feeling very sad. It's a silence, silences. और उस फोटोग्राफ का जो साइलेंस है उनमें उनकी मदर जो साइलेंट है, दैट वाज मेकिंग साइलेंट द राइटर. राइटर सेड इट्स साइलेंस, साइलेंस है जो उसका साइलेंस है उस फोटोग्राफ का, उनकी मदर की जो साइलेंस है, दैट वाज मेकिंग साइलेंट द राइटर ऑल्सो. सो माई डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ हियर द पोएम गेट्स ओवर एंड नाउ इन दिस पोएम वी हैव कम टू नो दैट अबाउट द राइटर शार्लेट ओल्सन एंड हाउ शी हैज एक्सप्रेस्ड हर फीलिंग about her sadness in the poem, how she was missing her mother because her mother already has been died and she was feeling very sad. She was feeling nostalgia to see the photograph of her mother. In that photograph 3 girls were there, writers and her 2 cousins. They were enjoying their beach holiday, but writer was feeling very sad because sea holiday was her mother past and her mother laughter is writer's past. That's why she was feeling very sad. That's all, my dear student. I hope you have got the chapter very well. So in the question answer copy you have to write word meaning, question answer, and you have to write a short summary of the poem in 100 to 120 words. Questions I will give you here. You can see here 7 questions are there. These questions you have to do on the basis of the reading of this chapter, whatever as I explained. You have to write the answer in your notebook. You have to write word meaning also. Word meaning page I will add up in this video. In the end of the video you will find some very important question relating to the chapter, very important word meaning also. These all things you have to write in your notebook and you have to write a short summary also in your notebook. So I hope my dear student you have got the chapter very well and everything is clear. So thank you very much. We'll meet again in the next